Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change or add shipping address on Temu mobile shopping app. Now, Temu is an app that's for online shopping. It's really good. It's the one that's trending right now. So let's say you want to add your shipping address, or you've added it, you want to edit it, or you want to change it totally, whether it's your default shipping address or just want to add a new shipping address. What do? It's very simple. The first thing you do is at the bottom here you see some options. You have home, categories, you and cart. Just tap on you. Then here, the last option here, we have address. Tap on address. You can see I've not had the shipping address before. If you have before, you see it here. If you haven't, like mine, you see that it's using there. You don't have any shipping addresses saved. So what you simply do is tap on add a new address. Then you put in your country or your region, your first name, your last name. Don't forget to add your phone number, the street address, apartment buildings. That's optional. But the other ones that are starred, you must do them. Then you have a state, you choose your city, your postal code, also it's optional. And once you choose all this, just tap on save. Now, if you've added one before and you want to change it, the same thing, just tap on the shipping address if I highlight it.